morning children. Welcome back to your VVPSE learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your back exercises of your English literature course book of lesson 8 The Wise Men of Ramnagar children. Today I am going to start your exercises of your workbook of English literature course book of same lesson number 8 The Wise Men of Ramnagar. So what you all have to do, you all have to fill the exercises with the help of pencil children. First you listen the video carefully. After that, when I can give you the matter to write, you can complete it neatly, nicely with the help of pencil only. Okay? Don't use pen to make your book dirty children. Okay? And after completing it, go through it that you have written it properly as I have given you the matter. So you have to check it also. So there is no spelling mistake for you and you have to read it properly, and after that if you feel any problem in any sentence you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. Okay students, so let's begin with the lesson number 8 of workbook. Okay students, let's begin with the exercises. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the exercises of your back exercise of your lesson 8 The Wise Men of Ramnagar of your English literature course book. Today I am going to complete your exercises of this workbook The Wise Men of Ramnagar lesson 8 should have used a past participle. Mr. and Mrs. Sen were going to Tamil Nadu for their holiday. Mrs. Sen wrote out a plan. Means Mr. and Mrs. Sen were going to Tamil Nadu and they thought of a plan like this which they can do what. Okay. On Monday their son fell ill. Okay. That's why they had to leave Delhi a day late. Okay. All the things that should have happened didn't happen. First, write sentences follow the example. Note that all the verbs should be past participle. They left Delhi on Tuesday, not Monday. Means their son fell ill. That's why they have to left Delhi on Tuesday, not Monday. So they should have left Delhi on Monday, but they didn't. Okay, children. Next is they arrived in Chennai on Thursday. So this can be written like this. According to this, they should have arrived Chennai on Wednesday, but they didn't. Okay. Next is they visited the silk shops on Saturday. So they should have visited silk shop on Friday, but they didn't. Okay. Next is they only reached Madurai on Monday. So they should have reached Madurai on Sunday, but they didn't. Next is they saw the temple on Tuesday. Because their son was ill, that's why they should have saw is the second form of the verb and the last past participle is seen. So they should have seen the temple on Monday, but they didn't. But they didn't. Come to the next. Next is they then flew to Bangalore on Thursday. So they should have flown to Bengaluru on Wednesday, but they didn't. इसका मतलब ये है कि वो लोग बेंगलुरु वेडनेसडे पहुंचना चाहते थे लेकिन वो पहुंच नहीं पाए. They drove to Mysuru on Friday. So they should have driven to Mysore on Thursday, but they didn't. I hope you all have understood up to this. They spent the day with Ashok and his family on Saturday. So they should have spent is the already given in the third form of the verb. So they should have spent the day with Ashok and his family on Friday, but they didn't. They didn't. Okay. Next is they returned to Delhi on Sunday. So they should have returned to Delhi on Saturday, but they didn't. There was no rest for them on Sunday. It is not there. It is they have. They should have. It is they should have taken rest on Saturday, but they didn't. Okay, it is clear to you all. Come to the next. Write 5 sentences of your own using should have. Okay, so you have to make your own 5 sentences using should have. So I can writing the sentences using should have. I should have talked to him. Next is we should have gone there. should have का मतलब होता है करना चाहिए था, ठीक है, मुझे उससे बात करनी चाहिए थी. I should have talked to him. Next is you should have worked hard. Next is they should have cleaned their room. Okay, and the last one, you should have drunk tea. Okay, so students, you can complete this in your workbook only with the help of pencil. And what is your homework for today? To learn this exercises. Okay beta, thank you.